So it's 1 year, 1 year since I've been in London.
Happy year. A guy in the taxi said it's just really far that way, so we'd rather take a taxi. They took one.
What? Without us?
Alright, so I've been in London for 1 year, 1 whole year, and to celebrate, I decided, fuck it, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna come to Paris. So I come to Paris, and we met this guy, Elia.
Elia, hey, nice to meet you. Hello, everybody.
And yeah, excellent.
And here's my sister.
Very direct. It's pissing down rain.
Hi.
Hello. Anyway, it's pissing down rain, and we're gonna go find another bar. But yeah, Paris. Yeah, why not?
I'm so cold.
Oh, this is hilarious. It's been so much fun.
Okay, I'm gonna try to survive.
Hopefully we won't die.